Hi everyone, it's Joan Lunden again. You know, I've spent my career presenting news and information to viewers, so I know how important it is to be able to discern the differences between various types of information coming in from news outlets or in today's world, from other websites. And when it comes to really big news, important issues, it's critical to know the difference between reporting and opinion. It's not too hard to understand that reporting is presenting facts about a story in a straightforward way. Reporting happens when a journalist researches facts and events, interviews experts and the parties involved, and then delivers that information without bias. For instance, sharing the number of seniors affected by a Social Security scam, that's reporting. As is an interview with a local retirement community staff member discussing how the scams affected their residents. However, using that same data in a post to encourage the Social Security Administration to hire more fraud agents, that may well be a good idea, but it is in fact an opinion. So it's good to hear other people's opinions on issues, but you have to watch out for opinions that are disguised as facts. If an article tells you that a senator voted for a new tax bill, that's reporting. However, if an article tells you that a senator voted for a new tax bill and therefore she's going to save the generation or she's going to put you in financial danger, that is an opinion. So let's take a look at two headlines about the same subject. All right, first headline, Israel and United Arab Emirates strike major diplomatic agreement. All right, here's the second one. A geopolitical earthquake just hit the Mideast. Can we all agree that the latter is an opinion column? Speculating on potential outcomes of the agreement, which is relying on facts and other reporting to conclude what might happen as a result of the agreement. It's important to talk about this because predicting the future just doesn't make it fact. Now, most newspapers will always indicate when a piece of writing is an opinion. So keep an eye out for those indicators. There's usually a label at the top of the post or the page. However, be super careful about any website that publishes opinions without clearly labeling them as such. That's a huge red flag. So as you are scrolling, try to also be thinking, is this information that I'm reading a factual report or an opinion? Or do I actually need to fact check? Understanding the difference will help you avoid stepping right into a mess of misinformation and worse, sharing it with others. All right, you are going to get your chance to put your new journalistic skills to use in this next section.